And we got cars. Yeah, right there was the pipe.
Motherfucker's deep.
Go put that shit. It's pretty deep. It's not that deep though. Stand right there.
It's deeper over there.
Is it? Ain't that deep.
Oh, bullshit.
Oh, I guess there's a little hill there. I forgot about that.
That's fucking deep.
Dive in that shit.
Oh, there's glass and shit through here.
Mm-hmm.
Go on, move, dude.
I am moved. They can't see me. There's something wrong.